Travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Laleko. Gosh, look at this weather! Okay, it could be worse, of course. Welcome to part 3 of the road trip across Saudi. Please check out part 1 and 2 of the Saudi road trip and you'll see where we've come from since we left Riyadh. It's been quite the adventure and it continues. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and click that notification bell as I post new videos every week giving tips and strategies that may help enhance your travel experiences. Where are we heading? That's the exciting part, so please be sure to check out the next video. Sandstorm area! What a silly idea was this?